You walk in and time bends slow, like it's something you control. Every second turns to gold when you're closer than before. There's a quiet in your eyes, like a place I've never known. Every little move you make feels like something pulling me home. I don't know what this could be, but it's changing everything. I was fine a moment ago, now I'm somewhere in between. Everything moves me into, like the whole world's stuck on you. Every breath I take goes slow, like I never wanna go. You don't think moon have to try everything. Why do they know? Never knew they knew as I hide for you. You don't rush, you let it flow, like you've always known the pace. Every time you look my way, I forget what I should say. There's a softness in your touch, like a line I can't erase. Every time I'm close to you,